Welcome back to Mayhem Garage. Today we are going to... Today's episode, we're actually going to pull the Miata motor. I actually already pulled out the radiator. Started unplugging a lot of stuff and numbering it so I don't forget. And yep, we're going to rebuild it and turbo it. Turbo. Welded diff. I also do need to get a hydraulic e-brake, which would be pretty cool. Yeah, I'll keep you posted. Right now, we're taking off the front bumper. Well, Tyler is, because he's just...
Which this clip is being a bitch. I'm trying not to break it, so...
But it's a Miata, and it's 27 years old, because it's a 90. So, I'll keep you updated. Stay cool. We got Joe here, actually flying Miata. Sorry. You're rolling, bro. You hit me. I'm going to kill you.
Get out. I'm trying. I don't want
Dude, what are you doing?
You keep rolling.
What? Hold the brake.
The brake doesn't work.
The normal brake. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. What are you doing?
It rolls. There's no...
Go, man. Just fucking go. Don't worry about it.
Take it out of gear and start it.
It popped out. It's not going to go while it's on, Tim.
You're ribbon.
That's funny as hell. Remember his silencer? What is going on? Yo, bro, you need to take this for a rip. You need to take the camera with you.
Point of view? Is this still recording?
Yes.
Get a point of view action of how
I started for you, bro. This thing's still faster, though.
Right. You're gonna race the Miata?
Dude, see how fast this thing goes. Yeah, I'm trying to... I can't fucking hold this.
Yeah, I'll ride on the back.
No, I don't want you to ride on the back. I'm not gonna be able to stop, but who cares? Who needs brakes, right? Alright.
Hold on. I'm gonna start it. Line up.
No, he can't run it. Don't go that fast. His neighbor's looking pissed. We took off just about everything. It's just time to drop the car off of the jack stands and hoist the motor and transmission out. Sounds like fun, but exactly. I don't know. I hope it's easy. Wish me luck. Obviously it's good. If this thing was any bigger, I'd call it Moby Dick. Motor's coming out. As you can see, he's fucking riding the tranny. We're taking it all out. I'm taking it for one last ride before I rebuild it. You're about to get shit poured all over you. But it's okay. Please.